Morning, grade 5, and happy Tuesday. I hope everyone is doing a great job on keeping up with their assignments. There's only like 3.5 weeks left of school, so we're almost near the end. All right, so let's get started on our Narnia mini lesson for today. So you all should have finished reading chapter 11 for today. And I really liked chapter 11 because starting to get, we're starting to see that things are really starting to change in Narnia because of Aslan. So today's lesson, we're going to focus on the two characters, Aslan and the White Witch. So if you remember before, I mentioned how there was a lot of symbolism and the whole book was an allegory that has an underlying message and meaning. So today we're going to be comparing and analyzing characters, and we're going to look at them through and think of them as good versus evil. So the events in this novel so far, they are preparing the readers, us, for an epic battle between Aslan and the children and the White Witch. So we already know that evil is represented by the White Witch. She is very evil. And then Aslan is a representation of good. So it's a very typical story of good versus evil. It's a very common conflict to have. So in today's lesson, I want you to think about when we go to compare these characters, okay, you need to think about what are their strengths and weaknesses as good and evil and as characters. I know we know a lot more about the witch, but we do have some background knowledge on Aslan based on what characters in the book have already told the reader about him. So you're going to think about what are their strengths and weaknesses. What are their characteristics? Characteristics means what kind of people are they? How are they the same? And then how are they different? So your assignment 1 today, we're going to be doing a Venn diagram. Okay, so you're going to have to think about using your perspective here. It is all in your perspective. And you're going to have to use your communication skills because I need to know that you can share your ideas through your writing here. So a Venn diagram basically means there are characteristics on one side of the main character, and then that are just for that character. And then on this side of the circle is for the other character. And then in the middle will be similarities. Okay, so this is your assignment. Will look like this. Using evidence in the text, compare Aslan and the White Witch. What are their similarities and their differences? What do they share? So like I said, in this box, you would put only similarities, only qualities that are unique to Aslan. What kind of person is he? In this side of the circle, you would put the qualities that are only unique to the White Witch. And then in the middle here, what do they have in common? Okay, so we're really looking forward to what are you getting from this novel, right? This assignment here is always more of the, it's not so much of the literal questions, it's more about the underlying message. What are you understanding? And then assignment number 2, as always, is your comprehension question. So there's 3 questions that you need to answer. Question number 1, what did Edmund receive instead of Turkish delight? Question number 2, who does the witch and Edmund meet along the way and what happens to them? And the last question, what does Edmund see as they ride through Narnia? Okay, so make sure you answer those questions with lots of details and make sure you really use your communication skills and your thinking skills to do these assignments. Okay, all right, that's all for now. Good luck in your assignment. Bye for now.